Hello, this is a test sew of the Singer Model 4562T that we have for sale on eBay. I want to show you how it stitches so you can see and hear it. This is the straight stitch. And let me set it now for a zigzag stitch. And I'm going to shorten the stitch length and I'm going to widen the stitch width so you see what a nice stitch this machine makes. And let me turn and show you some of the other stitches that this machine can do. This machine, I think, stops with the needle in the up position all the time, so that's just a little bit of an adjustment you might want to get used to. This is the hem stitch, which comes next. And I would like it wider myself. There we go. And then let's try some of the other stitches. I'm not sure of the exact names of all of these. That's a good utility stitch. And then here's a nice decorative stitch, sort of a clamshelly looking stitch. And let me turn and scoot over and stitch another row for you. Show you some of the other decorative stitches that come on this machine. I have it as wide as it'll go right now. Oh, that one was way too dense. There we go. So when you stitch that one, you'll need some stabilizer on the back of your fabric, but it works